is we take this list of all of the closes that we have and we feed Meta that data. And then what we can do is essentially tell Meta to show our ads to more people exactly like that. On our audiences inside of Facebook, what we're gonna do is go to create audience, custom audience, and then just choose customer list. Upload that list that we just made. So we're just gonna drag that list right now in there. Because we actually included the price, we're gonna select yes for customer value. We just have to map out that value, so right there. And then just give it a name. For this, we're just choosing customers as our customers. And then we just have to map out these columns so you can see like cities didn't work. So we'll just go and map city, all good there. And then state there, all good. And then done. So now essentially we've given Meta that data of like, this is our 100 closes. And now there's so much that we're able to do with this. If we go right back to create audiences, go look alike. We're gonna go right up here and choose that audience that we just made right there. And then essentially see this percentage down here? That's gonna tell us to a percentage how close the audience that Meta's making, because this is a lookalike audience. So you see for the United States and Canada, to the 1%, there's still 3.1 million people in that audience. So essentially, with that data we were able to provide Meta, it's giving us an audience of 3.1 million to the 1 percentile that shares the same characteristics with people who have closed for our high ticket offer. When we run our next campaign, we can literally use this as our audience to only show to these exact people exactly like the people who have purchased from us in the past. And dude, you can do this with so much other information. And this is why it's important that business owners and closers track, because you can do this with leads, you can do this with booked appointments, you can do this with qualified leads. The best obviously being closes, and that's what we're doing. And if you can do closes, that's the best, but you can do this with all sorts of data.